Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar in front of us right now. And as you can see that the right now NZD USD is trading in a narrow range here. And you can see that I have got three lines drawn here on the chart, but for Monday we just need to focus the line at the top and the line at the below. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of NZD USD first. Let's try to understand these levels, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? So if I just zoom out the chart here, and you can easily see that market is following this trend line as a resistance for the market, or this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Whenever market is trying to go up, you can see that market is facing selling pressure from above. Therefore, this trend line is a valid resistance. Clear? Okay. And apart from this resistance, we also have a support in the form of 0.7075. Okay, we have a support at 0.7075. Unlike the resistance here, the support that we have here is not a strong one, because you can see that apart from this particular support here, we do not have any proper logic or reasoning behind this support. We do not have any concrete support here. Okay, so this is a temporary support, and just keep in mind that this support that we have right now is not a very strong one. And if we go to the weekly chart here, if you go to the weekly chart of NZD USD, then you can see that right now we do not have any proper support or resistance level. The resistance level that we have is quite far away, and right now we have nothing from the weekly chart as well. So we are left with a kind of weak and confusing support, temporary support, and a resistance at the top here. And as we all know, NZD USD chart has a correlation with the chart of US dollar. Whenever dollar goes up, NZD USD goes down, and when dollar goes down, NZD USD goes up. Right now you can see that US dollar, okay, after this huge uptrend on US dollar, huge up move, dollar consolidated, and right now dollar is trying to go up again. And if we just focus or observe this particular portion of the chart here, then it looks like a bullish flag here. And if after the market opening on Monday, if dollar starts going up from here, then we also have a resistance here, and there is a possibility, listen to me carefully, there is a possibility that after the market opening, dollar will be going up because of its bullishness, and after some time it will reverse again because of this resistance. And if it reverses from the resistance, then definitely we will see some good up move on the NZD USD chart. So what should be our strategy for Monday on NZD USD? So let the market open on Monday and just see where the price goes, whether the price goes up or down. In case price goes up from here, just observe the price. Okay, I've just observed the price near the trend line. If you see that, just like the previous time, market is respecting this trend line as a valid resistance. If you see price struggling near the resistance or the trend line, then you will get the confirmation that yes, the trend line is still a strong resistance for the market, and you can short the market at the trend line. Okay, so if you find market struggling near the trend line, if you find price being rejected from above, then you can short the market at the trend line. That is your first trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market goes down, and reaches the support here, the temporary support of 7075 level, if market reaches this level, again just observe the price and see how the price reacts or how the price is doing. If you see market is trying to take support at the level and market is trying to bounce, you can go for a buy. If market bounces from the trend line. And in case there is a sharp sell, or if you see a red candle breaking the support level, then immediately go and see what is going on in the chart of US dollar. If you see dollar is very bullish, extremely bullish, then you can short the market. Okay, whatever you do, do not forget to keep your one eye on the chart of US dollar. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website, avilashhazarika.com, under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 87% retail traders have taken short position and 12% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So be careful, do not follow the crowd, trade wisely, trade with proper analysis. After the market opening on Monday, do not click on the buy or sell button right away. Wait for the market to either go and hit the resistance or come down to the support level. And then observe the market. If it bounces or reverses, then only go for the trade. Otherwise, just simply avoid. And I'll be coming down on Monday and I'll be explaining to you what should be your next move. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested, then just go through the information here and you'll find everything in the Pro Trader section on my website, avilashhazarika.com. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday again.